Hey guys, Tyler Horvath here, and in this next video I'm going to show you how to install themes on a WordPress website. So we got our site here, we're logged in, we're on the Appearance tab in our WordPress admin area. So this is where you can see all of the themes that are currently installed on your WordPress website. So most likely you will see these 2020, 2019, 2017, 2018 themes. So these are the default themes that WordPress installs on each WordPress installation, and they're kind of the default themes that you can use if you don't want to add a template. Now, most people do not use these themes. They're very basic. They're not SEO optimized, and honestly, the design is pretty bad as well. So a lot of the times people want to add their own theme and have a theme that's more customizable and more SEO friendly. So there are free themes and there are paid themes. There's a ton of decent free themes that you can use that are in the WordPress directory. So to find those, all you have to do is click Add Now. Same thing as what you do when you're installing a plugin. And then you can see all of these WordPress themes here that are the free WordPress themes provided by WordPress and other sources that you can use for free. Now, the free ones aren't going to be as good as the paid ones, but if you're just starting your site, just trying to get it out there, these are well enough to use to have a decent site that's mobile optimized, etc. So to install these free themes, it's super simple. Just look for a theme that you want. So let's say we want to look for a software type of theme. Okay, so we have this software company here. This looks cool. So let's install this one. So let's just click install. And now it's installed on our site. We should be able to see it in our appearance editor. So here's the new one that we installed. Now it's not going to be activated, or our site's not going to change until we actually activate that theme. So let's click activate. And that will activate that theme on our site, and now we should be able to reload, and it should be our new theme. So now you can see that the theme is installed. Now, a big thing people don't realize is when you install a theme, it's not going to automatically set everything up for you. So the theme is installed, but in order to match that design that you see in the theme preview, you're going to have to build out pages and blog posts and stuff like that. Now, we're not going to do that in this video, but we definitely have some videos that you can check out to where we do a whole build and customize the theme and stuff like that. This video, I just want to show you how to install the theme and how to customize it just a little bit. So now that we have that theme installed, a lot of themes have a customization tab where you can click customize, and it will give you some options to change the colors or the logo and stuff like that. So a lot of the times you can change the layout. So this one, if we want to set a 3-column layout, we can do that, or if we just want a right sidebar only, and then we can go back and we can change the logo. So a lot of times the site identity, the logo is in here. So I don't have any images in here, but to upload your logo, you would basically just pick a file. Let's see if we can find one here. So let's just add this. So obviously you would want to add a cropped transparent logo, but just to give you an idea of how to add the logo, you would just do that and then click publish, and that would save it, and then we should see it right here like that. We can hide these two if we just only want to show that image. So this is going to be a little different depending on the theme that you choose. But overall, you're going to have most of the same customizations. You're going to have site identity, colors, where if you want to change, all of the main colors of the sites, you can do that, and general stuff like that. Now, if you buy a paid theme, you're going to have a lot more options. It's going to be a lot easier to customize, add stuff, and have that functionality there than you will with the free app. So one more thing that I wanted to touch on, a lot of people aren't sure how to make a homepage instead of having your posts be the homepage. So that's really easy to do in WordPress. I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing you have to do is create a page for home. So we're going to go create a page for home, and then click publish. And since we're going to have a separate page for the blog, we're going to have to create a blog page as well. So blog, and then publish that. So once you create those two pages, now you can go to settings and reading. And here you can set a static page for your homepage. So if you want to have your homepage be all of your latest blog posts and that's all that it's pulling. You can do that and just leave it how it is by default. But if you want your home page to have a slider and have different sections and stuff like that, then you're gonna have to set it as a static page. So you're gonna click a static page. You're gonna select that home page that you created for the home page, and then your post page is gonna be your blog page. So now click Save. And now our home page is going to be the actual home page that we created here. So if we want to add text to our home page, we can do that here. Click Update, and that will show that text there. So this is a great way to build your home page, and instead of having an actual blog, you're actually building a website as a home page, about page, etc. And you can use a visual builder to build these pages out, and have a drag and drop builder that allows you to easily build the pages. And I'll show you guys how to do that in some other videos, so check those out as well. So that is how you install a theme in WordPress and customize it just a little bit. If you have any questions at all about how to install a theme or how to customize a theme, don't hesitate to comment down below, and I will see you next time.